Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn Präsens, that is the present tense in German. We are going to see how do we make sentences in the present tense in German and how are they different from the English present tense. So to make the sentences in present tense, first of all, we need to look at the Sein verbs in German. The Sein verbs in English, they are called is, am, are verbs. For example, in English, when we say I am, he is, they are. So this is, am, are, in German, the term for them is sein. Ich bin, du bist, es, sie ist, sie sind, wir sind und ihr seid. So if we translate this, ich bin, it means I am. Du bist, it means you are. Es, sie ist, he is, it is, or she is. So bin, bist, ist, sind, seid, these verbs are called sein verbs. Now let us look at a sentence which has a sein verb in it. For example, ich bin müde. That means I am tired. Or he is not there. In German we will say ist nicht da. We are at home. In German we will say wir sind zu Hause. So these are some sentences with sein verbs in them. Now let's come to one sentence which has sein verb plus one more verb in it. For example, in English when we say he is coming today, how will we say it in German? If we translate it word to word, in German the sentence will look like this. Kommt heute. For example, if we have to say we are playing football, if we translate the sentence literally word to word, in German it will be wir spielen Fußball. Both the sentences in German are incorrect. Although they are literal translations of the English sentence and word to word we have translated it, but they are incorrect. The reason is that in German we can never use sein as a helping verb. It is different from English because in English it is possible to use the sein as a helping verb. When we say he is coming today, is a helping verb and coming is the main verb. If we say we are playing football, are is a helping verb and playing is the main verb in the sentence. But in German, it is not possible to use sein as a helping verb. This is a thumb rule that needs to be learned. You can learn it like this, that whenever there is a sein verb plus one more verb in the sentence, then you have to remove the sein verb from the sentence. If in the sentence sein verb is coming plus another verb is coming, then as a rule we have to remove the sein verb. So for example, this sentence, he is coming today, in German we will not use is because there is one more verb other than is in this sentence. So we will say kommt heute. Or the second sentence, we are playing football. Here are will not be used because playing is another verb in the sentence. So we will say wir spielen Fußball. So guys, now let's go back to the sentences that we made in the beginning of the video. For example, we made a sentence ich bin müde, which means I am tired. Another sentence that we made was ist nicht da, which means he is not there. So in the German sentences, here you can see that we are using the sein verb in the sentence. For example, ich bin müde, here bin is the sein verb. Ist nicht da, here ist the sein verb. In these sentences, we are not removing the sein verb. The reason for that is that in the English language, here sein is not a helping verb but a main verb in the sentence. You can see that other than sein verb, there is no other verb in the sentence. So if sein verb is the only verb in the sentence, then we have to use it. But if other than sein verb there is another verb present in the sentence, then we cannot use sein because over there it becomes a helping verb and sein cannot be used as a helping verb in German. So guys, we have learnt a thumb rule about the present tense in German. Now there is one more rule that we need to remember always whenever we are making a sentence in the present tense. That is that the verb of the sentence, the main verb, should always be at the second position. No matter what, the verb should always be at the second position. So for example, if you have to make a W question, where are you going? So according to the two rules that we have learned, according to the first rule, are in the sentence will not be used because it is a Sein verb, and then there is one more verb present in the sentence, going. And going, which is the main verb, it should come at the second position in German. So this sentence will be Wohin gehst du? Oder wohin gehen Sie? So guys, now with these two thumb rules, we can make any present tense in German and it will always be correct. Now I'll tell you a very easy way of practicing German at home, especially practicing the present tense. You can see in this list that there are some W questions written, and on the right hand side there are some verbs written. Now you can pick up any W question and you can pick up a verb and you can make a sentence with that. For example, let's pick up the W question was and let's pick up the verb trinken. So you can make a question, what are you drinking? So according to the rule, are will not be used in the sentence, and drinking, which is the verb, it will come at the second position. So in German, the sentence will be was trinken Sie? Or if we use the informal you, then was trinkst du? Yeah guys, so that was all about the present tense. If you apply these rules, then your sentence in the present tense will never be wrong. I wish you a lot of fun making sentences, and my advice is that start with making W questions in the present tense. All the best.